Wait lang. Actually, natatakam ako kasi ang sarap niya. Pero parang hindi siya umaakit ng straw.
Oo, kasi...
May na-stock na sago. Okay. Kaya pala parang wala ako na sago. Hi guys! So the summer season is upon us. So today I'm going to show you how to make one of the Pinoy's favorite summer treats. And of course, that's none other than the milk tea. This recipe is super duper quick and easy. So come with me to my kitchen and I'll show you how. Alright, so these are the ingredients that we will be needing for our organic barley milk tea. So unang-una sa lahat, of course, is our barley powder. Now, I really like this brand, this JC Organic Barley, because it comes from New Zealand. And as we know, all barley that comes from New Zealand is the best in the world simply because of its optimal environment kung saan siya pinalaki. So dahil very minimal ang air pollution sa New Zealand, talagang nakukuha ng mga grass or ng mga plants yung kailangan nilang nutrients in order to survive and in order to thrive. So we know that barley is very rich in iron and vitamin C, plus it has a bunch of benefits for the body like lowering blood sugar, blood cholesterol, just to name a few. Of course, we will also need our milk. Any milk you're used to or you're accustomed to using will do. Pwedeng low fat, non-fat, full cream, up to you guys. Now, we would also be needing, of course, 1 cup or a 250 ml measuring cup. And we will be needing some chocolate syrup. Of course, this is optional. You can skip out on this. And of course, milk tea would not be milk tea without the pearls. So I thank my sous chef, Miss Trish, for cooking this ahead of time. Very easy lang. Just the way you cook pasta, right? Or instant noodles, you just boil it in hot water. So now we have all the ingredients plus a very good milk tea container, so we can begin. Okay, so I'm going to start off with putting in some chocolate syrup in our cup. It would serve as garnish and of course an extra treat for all you sweet tooths out there. So we're gonna put a little bit more chocolate syrup.
Hi!
Hi, love! So he just got, wow, scripted. He just got home daw. For real. Okay, so you have chocolate syrup in our cup. So okay lang if it's a little messy because that's art, as Miss Jelay said. Now, we're gonna be putting in our pearls next. So, ito yung pearls. It's up to you how much you like to put, but I think I'm okay with maybe 1 to 2 spoonfuls of this. So there we go. And then another one. Now, other people, gusto nilang sinistrain yung pearls. But if you don't strain it, okay lang. There's a little bit of an added sweetener there. So there we go. The pearls are at the bottom. It's okay if you make a mess. You can just wipe that off with tissue. There we go. Ayan. Okay. And then next up, titimplahin na natin yung ating organic barley powder. So, again, just like in the earlier recipe, so 1 cup of milk. And then we're gonna pour that in. Ooh, oh my goodness. Just add a little bit here. There we go. And then now I'm gonna be mixing in our organic barley powder. So again, I really like this not just because it's nutritionally dense, but also because it really levels up whatever dish or smoothie or dessert I make. Plus, it has just the perfect sweetener, which is stevia. We all know that stevia is plant-derived. Kaya hindi tataas yung sugar levels natin. Kaya, ayan. Normally, you will know it's ready if the entire glass has a greenish tinge and wala na yung mga powdery na barley sa taas. So one of the things that I also like about this barley, and I notice this difference because I've tried other barley brands as well. I'm such a fan of barley. Pero ang dali matunaw ng barley powder dun sa milk or sa water. So, Now, we are gonna be pouring that in our organic barley milk tea glass. So now we're gonna add in the ice. There we go. So the amount of ice you wanna put in is really up to you. But since it gets very hot here in the Philippines during summer, we're gonna put a lot. Now, moment of truth, we're going to try out our organic barley milk tea. Wow, it's so good, guys. I think the touch of the chocolate syrup really made a difference. And I'm telling you, this is such a treat, especially during the hot days of summer. It's so good, you guys. I'm sure this is a treat that both children and adults would enjoy now that the summer season is upon us. This drink is very delicious. I couldn't get enough of it, and I know some of you guys are dying to know where to purchase this barley powder. Now, you guys can access these products from www.jcshop.ph. Now, there is more to that. Alam niyo bang pwede niyo ring ipa-deliver to straight to your doorstep? Just add to cart, input your details, and they'll deliver it to you hassle-free.